Good morning. This morning we're going to make a very simple, quick and easy little coaster. I've made it in Christmas fabrics. You can use any fabrics you want. Basically you need 5 4.5-inch squares. I've used 2 of one pattern and 3 of another. The 3 is because one of these is going to be the base of it. Okay. So that one can go to one side. I've chosen one with a nice pattern in the middle. And we're going to press these 4.5-inch squares in half, like this. So I'm going to press all 4 of them in half like that. And then I'm going to put them with the folded edge facing inwards and the raw edge facing outwards. So here we go. There we go. So those are all folded edges there. And you put one inside the other. And this one then is going to go in there. I hope you can see this now, to make the little square. Make sure they're all butted up together quite well, and that there's no hole in the centre there. Then you're going to put your bottom piece right sides together on top of that. Now you can pin this or tack it, and then we're going to take it to the sewing machine and stitch around the edge. I'm now at the sewing machine, and I've put a couple of pins in place to hold it together. So I'm going to start along the side of one row. I've got my walking foot on. You can use any foot, it doesn't really matter. Got my walking foot on. I'm using the edge of that as the guide to the edge. It doesn't have to be 1/4 of an inch, as long as it's the same all around. I'm going to put a couple of securing stitches in to start, and we're going to stitch all the way around the outer edge, taking your pins out as you go along. If you've got needle down, use needle down, because it'll always stop with the needle in your work for you to turn corners nice and easily. And we're going to go all the way around the outer edge. There you go, and I'm coming back towards where I started now. So I'm going to let those meet up, and then I'm going to put a few securing stitches in the spot, because you're going all around, you're not leaving a gap, and then take it out of your machine. So I'm trimming the corners as you would do with dressmaking. You're now cutting across the edge, and then I'm going to turn through from this front through to the back. So turn it through as best you can, and then you'll need either one of those poking sticks or a pair of scissors with blunt ends to help you push out the corners. So I'm going to use a little pair of scissors here. Okay, let me push out, and I'll push out all 4 corners. Here we go, so that's it all pushed out. So then you're going to get your iron and give that a press. So nice press from the top, nice press on the back. And if you make a set of 4 or 6 of these, I mean, they're so quick to make. And if you, here we go, I've got 3 there. So if I was to layer 4 or 6 and tie these with a little bow, they'd make a lovely gift. And of course, you can actually put a wine glass inside the base, so that when you pick it up, don't have to use it like that, but you can. So have fun. Bye.